Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y31 and let me show you how to add fingerprint to this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and privacy right here and go to device unlocking. Now select fingerprint, draw your unlock pattern if you have one. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create it. And now it's time to register your fingerprint. So just grab your phone as you usually do it, mark enroll now, and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. You will see the progress on screen, so just keep tapping till all the edges are added. And once it's done, you'll be informed. Click on done right here, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Let me show you. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.